In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove member on Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can manage access cleanly and confidently. First, make sure you're on the correct Trello location where the person currently has access. If you want to remove someone from a single board, open that board. If you need to remove them from the entire workspace, open the workspace home. You'll need the right permissions to do this, typically board admin for a board or workspace admin for a workspace. Look for the members area. On a board, this is usually found near the top, often represented by a people icon or a label that says members. In a workspace, you'll find a members section from the workspace menu. Click members to open the full list of people who currently have access. This page helps you confirm that you're looking at the right place and that the person you want to remove is actually listed. Next, locate the person you want to remove. You can scroll the list or use the search field to quickly narrow it down. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct individual, especially if there are similar names. It helps to double-check their role and the boards they can access so you're not removing the wrong person. When you're ready, select the member and choose Remove. Depending on your view, this might appear as a Remove button, an option in a drop-down, or a link next to their name. When you click Remove, Trello may ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation is normal and prevents accidental removals. Approve the prompt to finalize. Removing a member takes away their access to that board or workspace but does not delete their Trello account. They'll immediately lose visibility to the content, stop receiving notifications from that space, and won't be able to interact with cards or lists there. If you remove them from the workspace, they'll also lose access to all boards that are workspace visible. If you only remove them from a specific board, they may still access other boards in the same workspace where they remain a member. After removing, refresh or glance back at the members list to make sure the change has taken effect. You should no longer see their name on the list. If you need to restore access later, you can invite them back at any time. That's it. You clicked members, selected the person, and chose Remove. With these steps and a quick confirmation, you've successfully managed access in Trello.